my first time going out. But shucks, I forgot to blow my hair. Kasi sabi nila, you have to blow your hair para hindi sumakit yung ulo mo. So I'm going to say ngayon, sana hindi ako maligaw. And sana makauwi ako later. Guys, I'm here na sa sale and I don't even know kung saan yung registrar. Saan kaya dito nag-shoot si Catherine? Dito yan guys eh. Ang school ni Catherine. Guys, ang laki ng school na to. Saan kaya dito? Guys, I found the registrar finally. Nasa second floor nga pala siya. I know, it's my orientation day. And grabe yung lamig. Feels like -24. Grabe yung layers ko. May buti na lang kinapalat yung layers ko. Thank you kay Tito. Buti hinatid na ako kasi kung hindi, baka di ako umabot. And sabi niya, hindi pa raw malala yung lamig na to. Minsan daw umabot ng -4. Guys, this is my campus tour.
This is our heritage show. It's part of a wedding took place over here for our reception. So I think among the buildings and suites, this is
Is this for free?
yeah.
Field notes. I got one. Namin free, nanalo din ako ng notebook. Hi guys, so it's my first day of school today. So my first class is at 1 PM pa naman. It's already 11:30. It's -5 today. Guys, so I made it to my bus stop. I love it. Hi guys, another day, another vlog. And ngayon, ang ganda na ng weather. Makapag-vlog na ako ng maayos. Kasi in the past days, sobrang lamig. So yung kamay ko naninigas. Hindi ko ma-hold yung phone ng matagal. I think my first class today is business mathematics, then introduction to business. I only have 2 classes per day. I'm gonna eat lunch here. Dito sa my Aldred building. Because we're gonna change into this.
You can't do that. Don't do the eyes. We're leaving.
Pagod! Guys, dito na kami. Ang mahal ng Jollibee. $26 na tong dalawa ko. Thank you po sa libre. May joke lang. Hindi niya po ako na libre. Guys, yung spaghetti. Lasang Jollibee ng Pinas. Yung chicken. Lasang Jollibee din ng Pinas. Kaso hindi siya maanghang masyado for you. So, siguro I rate it 9 out of 10. So, today, andito ako sa my East West Village. Dito lang to sa downtown. Kasi I have a haircut appointment. My appointment is 6:30 PM pa naman. Hi guys. So, it's a beautiful morning. Sun is out! Yay! Hindi masyado malamig. It's just -5. Sana ganito na lang yung weather palagi. Anyway, spring is coming, so mas magiging tolerable yung weather for me. Pagod na ako sa winter. Ayoko na. Nakapagod mag-layer up. And ganyan pala, I'm gonna pick up my glasses sa mall kasi nagpasalamin ako. Pili ko kasi yung malabo na yung mata. Guys, I don't know kung bagay ba sa akin or what. Ano ba? Tingin nyo. Parang hindi bagay. Parang sa naman kayo. Hi guys, so today may extemporaneous speech kami and ako ang pinakawalan yung represent. So, look up to me.
Remember, give Troy our full attention.
Have you ever longed for something you never had? For me, that was the love of grandparents. Growing up, I never had the chance to know my grandparents. They passed away before I could even form memories with them. In my close-knit Asian family, I often saw my cousins and friends being showered with love by their grandparents. It was about the kindness and care that anyone at any age can offer. So as I end, I leave you with this. What if we all took the time to show a little more kindness, to step into the roles others might be missing in their lives? Whether it's a grandparent, a mentor, or simply by just being a friend, we have the power to make a difference. Kindness doesn't just fill voids. It creates connections that can change lives. And sometimes, it even answers the questions we've carried in our hearts for years. So, let's make it our superpower. Thank you.
Hi guys, so kakatapos ko lang mag-present ng speech ko in front of the class. And I'm the very first one to present. It's very nerve-wracking kasi you have to set the standards, diba? And even though I forgot some of my lines, but they said hindi naman daw halata na may nakalimutan na. Still, a great job for me. And we're gonna go to Cross Iron later. Hi guys, so ngayon, I am planning to buy shoes.
Magkano po per kilo?
300 na lang po.
Tapos yung
Ilang kilo po ba kukunin natin?
yung 250 kan po.
Sir, ano po ba kukunin natin ng part po dito? Medyo focus na po tayo ngayon.
So, nanalo ako ng grand prize sa... Nagpa-survey kasi sila yung isang dito, isang club. Buto ako naman si survey. Nanalo ako. Swerte ko naman guys, no? Hashtag God's favorite.
Hey guys, so it's my first day of school again. First day of second semester. Yes, may araw na.